our country. And he wanted to reach that dream by building this nation up. If there is one thing that I think clearly sets my father apart, it's that he had a very clear vision for our country. Lagi niyang iniisip kung ano ba.
You were tiring. You were weary. You doubted your own strength. You didn't know where you were going. But now, there is hope. And the phenomenon is, what we see is an America emerging out of the shadows. It's still partly in the shadows, but it's trying to emerge. And certainly, under the leadership of President Reagan, it's trying to organize an integrated, understandable foreign policy. And that's what we see.